Hey there, it's David with the ImagineArt team. In the last video, we built a workflow and generated this image. It's pretty nice, right? What if it could move? What if you could see the light shift, the steam rise? That's what we're doing today. We're going to turn this image into a video. Let's get started. So there's two ways to make a video in Workflows. You can do text to video, where the AI builds everything from scratch based on your prompt. Or you can do image to video, where you give it a picture and it figures out how to animate it. We're going to do image to video today because we already have an image we like and we just want to bring it to life. So to get started, I've got my text block connected to my image block from before, and I'm just going to right click and add a video block. I'm going to choose Kling 2.6 Pro. And I'm going to drag the image from the Nano Banana Pro node. I'm going to add another prompt node here to describe what we want to happen in the scene. So, camera zoom out. It doesn't have to be anything super complex. You can vary your prompt just depending on what you want to happen in the scene. But for this example, we just want to see what happens when the coffee shop is alive. So if we click on this node, we'll see our options for the video. We have duration, 5 seconds, 10 seconds. You can switch between models. You can choose whether to generate audio or not. We don't need audio for this one, so I'm going to turn that off. So click run, and let's see what we get. Now, as you can see, this takes a little bit longer than generating images. It's usually between 30 seconds to a minute. Just takes a little patience, let it do its thing. And there it is, same coffee shop, but now it's alive. You can feel the atmosphere now. That's all it takes. One more block, one more connection, your image becomes a video, ready for Instagram, TikTok, your website, whatever you need. Go try it yourself at imagine.art/flow. Again, I'm David from the ImagineArt team. See you in the next one.